Okay, your vehicle okay, fine. So you are driving all the night? No, straight away. Huh? Stay for a night. Pida? यार बोला बांध दो इसके सारे करे इसको दो चलो गर्दन से पकड़ो छोड़ कुछ हाँ चलो चलो अरे नहीं अच्छा फिर ये देखिए हाँ चल
Veerbhadra Singh, last CM of Himachal Pradesh. Okay, ready.
My name is Inderpal. I am from village Uchagaon, Tehsil Arki, Post Office Kunihar, District Solan of Himachal Pradesh, India. I born in Uchagaon village in 15th of June 1947. I did my basic education from the Kunihar, and after doing my matriculation, I joined in ITI Solan, Industrial Training Institute Solan, as an electrician.
Before you go further,
I will start from
start
the
now. Wait. Okay, sounds fine. Yes.
Okay. I am Inderpal, resident of village Uchagaon, Tehsil Arki, Post Office Kunihar of district Solan district of Himachal Pradesh, India. I born in Uchagaon village at 15th of June 1947. My village was situated near thick forest where a lot of water was there, and we used to travel 4-5 kilometers per day for our schooling. Our school was in a very plain area where we will have our basic schooling, and while coming from school we used to travel within a forest. We used to encounter monkeys also while coming to home. And in the early stage of our schooling, we used to collect fuel wood to sell in the market also. That was year of third or fourth year. When we were in the third or fourth year, we used to collect fuel wood and sell it in the market also. I remember I was good in education. In the third class I stood first in, I think, and in the fifth class I was third in my class. But after that, I do not remember I topped in any class. But in a photography course, I was first in my, and that is in 40s.
So your first exposure to photography was in school as a student?
No, in ITI.
ITI.
While we were studying in Industrial Training Institute Solan, we went for a picnic and we hired one camera of 8 exposure. And that was a very nice experience. You have a very good question. We exposed that roll and put it out, and started looking whether photo has come or not, and then we gave it for developing. So
It was completely white.
white, it's a blank. So there was no photograph. It was the first experience to that.
How old were you at this age?
18 years, I think.
And before that, you had never touched a camera or experienced a camera?
No.
This was the first time?
This is the first.
Which year was this?
It was 64.
And what film format and what camera? Because I'm sure you will remember the format of the camera.
That was 8 exposure camera, 120, and that was Kodak box camera. And that has 8 snaps, 2B size. We call that 2B size camera.
That's the 120
film, yeah.
format.
Yeah.
Large format.
Yes.
This was in black and white.
Black and white, right.
So none of y'all at this point, none of the students had ever used a camera. Y'all just decided to hire it and just try it and it should be working.
Yeah.
But you discovered
that it goes blank. But it was not known to me. We thought that we clicked and we saw the photo, but it's not.
Okay. So continue. Then you continued your studies in IT.
ITI, yeah. After doing ITI, I was appointed as electrician in the Snowdon Hospital of the Himachal Pradesh. That is the state hospital of the Himachal Pradesh.
How old were you at this age? What year was this?
18 years. So that was 1966 when I was appointed over there. And that hospital converted into medical college itself in 1966. And one day, while I was in service in Snowdon Hospital, I went to repair a photographic enlarger of a photographer in that medical college. So I got rectified the fault and okayed the enlarger. And that photographer, Mr. O.P. Taneja, offered me a cup of tea, but before giving that cup of tea, he asked me to just wait. I want to print one print. After that, we will leave this dark room and we will enjoy tea. Okay. I was very good in drawing. I forget to tell you earlier. In the matriculation, I was very poor in other subject, but in drawing, I was 80% marks. There was 121 marks out of 150. So I was very good in drawing. I can sketch a face, flower, and that took 2-3 days, 4 days, a week. But when that photographer, Mr. O.P. Taneja, put off the light in the dark room and inserted that photographic negative and photographic paper and switch on the light and put it into chemical, I was surprised. What is happening in this? And that was the turning point of my life. That moment changed my mind. It is so easy. When I was sketching a flower, it takes so much time, but that does not come so fine as this photograph. It's neat and clean and very. From that moment, I forget everything. I offer him to have, I will assist you everywhere. So he want assistance for chemical rotation and this washing of dishes and carrying of camera. I offered him as an assistance. So he used to go for a marriage coverage. I accompanied him. He take out roll. At that time, a photographer used to do his own every work. He developed his films, print, cutting of print, and the mounting, dry mounting, pasting, everything is done by the photographer itself. And I assist him, and I know that at that time, there's 5 chemicals were used, this sulfide, metol, hydrocarbon.